Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you want up to 15 free stocks, Moo is going to give you up to 15 free stocks when you open a new Moo brokerage account. When you put $100 in your new brokerage account, they're going to give you 5 free stocks. If you put $1,000 in your new brokerage account, they're going to give you 15 free stocks. Limited time offer, so don't delay. Get down in that description box today and click on that Moo link. Open up your Moo account. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. Another wild day in the stock market. But I can't complain because all my big boy blue chip paper assets moved higher today and finished in the green. What did your big boy blue chip paper assets do? Well, that's a question for you to think about and drop it down in the comment box. But let's dive in to the broader stock market. What happened? Let's talk about it. Here's the headline. Dow inks out narrow gain Wednesday as Middle East tensions weigh on markets. So we still got conflict in the Middle East. And that's going to be a problem in this last quarter of 2024 unless they get the conflict under control, guys. So be prepared for that mentally. The markets are going to be up and down because of uncertainty, okay? Just make sure you keep that in mind and make a mental adjustment. Turn off your emotional thinking cap and turn on your logical thinking cap, and you'll be fine. Here we go. The major averages ended Wednesday just above the flat line as rising tensions in the Middle East weighed on markets. The S&P 500 added 0.01% to 5,709.54, while the NASDAQ composite rose 0.08% to 17,925.12. The Dow Industrial Average added 39.55 points or 0.09 to finish at 42,196.52. Not bad. S&P over 5,700, NASDAQ a hair under 18,000, and the Dow over 42,000. In my opinion, guys, that's solid numbers. And if we can stay there and incrementally increase over these next 3 months, we're going to have a winner on our hand for 2024. Let's keep going. Nike slid 6.8% after the sneaker giant pulled full year guidance ahead of its CEO change. That might be a discount, guys, for somebody. 6.8% is a discount. Now, I know Nike's been having some problems, but they got this new CEO coming in, and y'all know Nike still is the top dog when it comes to sports apparel, shoes for athletic performance and that type of stuff. They're still the top dog, so you might want to put that one on the short list. Tesla dropped 3.5% after the company reported delivery numbers, though the technology sector was buoyed by a 1.6% rise in NVIDIA. Obviously, the 900-pound gorilla, silverback gorilla, bounced back a little bit today. Matter of fact, I looked at it after hours, and it had moved up slightly a little bit more to around 120 a share. Again, guys, we're in yo-yo territory, right? We're in yo-yo territory with all of our big boy blue chip paper assets, especially tech. We're in yo-yo territory. So just keep that in mind as you go about your wealth transfer blueprint. That action follows a losing session after Iran's firing of ballistic missiles on Israel dented risk appetite and investor enthusiasm for the new trading month and quarter. That's going to be a problem, guys, unless they get that conflict under control for us. That's going to be a problem, because I thought we was going to have a fantastic fourth quarter coming out of September. With the fantastic September we had, I was just looking forward to this fantastic comeback rally. Well, I tell you what, the problems in the Middle East may pour some water on that fire. We'll have to see, right? We will just have to wait and see. Investors are readying for more uncertainty as Israel begins a ground operation in Lebanon and tensions escalated with Iran-backed militant group Hezbollah. Again, man, I don't know anything about that, but what I do know, when there is trouble or conflicts around the world, guys, especially those type of conflicts where the United States has to pick a side, it affects our stock market. Matter of fact, it affects the global stock market, right? The global markets. West Texas intermediate crude oil prices rose on Wednesday, building on Tuesday's jump following the Middle East news. Energy stocks outperformed once again and was the only S&P 500 sector up more than 1% in the session. The energy select sector SPDR fund, ticker symbol XLE, rose 1%, notching its fourth straight positive session. The CBOE Volatility Index, aka the VIX, also known as Wall Street's fear gauge, pulled back after a spike Tuesday. We're really seeing the market have a little bit of hiccup with this recent spike in geopolitical tensions, said head of public markets due diligence at U.S. Bank Wealth Management. While investors typically don't worry too much about those events until there's a clear economic impact, we're just seeing some nervousness. That's what you're seeing, man. And when you see that nervousness and you got that uncertainty, guys, these big boy investors, man, they flee to safety. And that's what you're starting to see happen, right? ADP data released Wednesday showed better than expected private payroll growth in September. That's a good thing, right? We want to make sure the labor market is not weakening too much. So if we can get the jobs report that's coming out this Friday to show better than expected, that's a good positive sign for us, guys. So let's keep our eye out for that report that's coming out on Friday. That comes ahead of Friday's closely followed non-farm payroll report, which could play a major role in the market's direction and the Federal Reserve's next rate move as its cutting cycle begins. So there you go, guys. There is your update for Wednesday, October 2nd. What's going on in the broader stock market? You know, there is some uncertainty, but there's an incredible opportunity for us to continue to build wealth through dip season. Dip season is going to present itself, guys. Every day we're going to have an opportunity to buy discounts on our favorite big boy blue chip paper assets. So be prepared, have your mind right, have your money right? Also, have your brokerage account right. For some of you folks that don't have a brokerage account and you want to get into this paper asset buying game, hey man, do yourself a favor. Get down in the description box and click on that Moomoo link. Open up the Moomoo brokerage account. They're going to give you up to 15 free stocks when you try out their brokerage account. You put $100 in there, they're going to give you 5 free stocks. You put $1,000 in there, they're going to give you 15 free stocks, man. Big boy, publicly traded companies for free, just trying out their brokerage app. Don't delay, act today. Get down in the description box, click on the Moomoo link, go get that free stock, go get that free money. Guys, go check out my new website, www.richardfain.net. Second link down in the description box. Guys, I got 10 big boy blue chip financial digital products on the website, man, that are just waiting for you. Your name is on it. These products are going to help you collapse time frames and get to your pot of gold faster. The better you are knowledge-wise raises your investment confidence. And when your confidence for investing goes up, guess what you do? You execute better. So go check out the digital products. And while you're there in the website, go check out the Wealth Builders, the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. All you got to do when you're in the website is to click on that membership button or that join button. It'll take you over to Patreon and you can sign up for the Wealth Builders. It's 1,000 of us over there, guys, in 5 months. And we're all helping each other do what? Build wealth, collapse time frames, and get to that pot of gold at the end of the rainbow faster. No better way to get to that pot of gold at the end of the rainbow than to do it with people that are going the same direction you're going in a fantastic financial community. So come join us. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks.